the divine flow of wisdom from the heaven toward the land. Mercury is one of the four benefic planets in astrology and represents wisdom, computation, trading, speculation, humor, youth, calculation, language, communication, oratory, and diplomacy. Mercury Buddha astronomy. Buddha or Mercury is the closest planet to Sun and it is the smallest in the solar system. The radius of Mercury is 2440 km, which is equivalent to 40% of the radius of Earth. The average distance of it from the Sun is around 36.2 km. The planet has no natural satellite and no atmosphere. Its density is second highest in the solar system at 5.4 gram per centimeter cube, only after the planet Earth. It takes 87.9 days to orbit around the Sun and 59.2 days to rotate on its axis. From the surface of Mercury, Sun would appear 2.5 times bigger than what it appears from the Earth. The surface of this planet is full of craters and rocky, and it consists great amount of iron core. The surface temperature of it varies from -181 to 430 degrees Celsius. Astrology of Mercury or Buddha. Importance of Mercury in horoscope. Mercury is one of the potent celestial bodies which are leaving their impacts upon the lives on Earth on account of its placement in different houses of birth chart. It is one of the four planets which are considered natural benefic in Vedic astrology. It confers gains on the native due to its good placement and high dignity. The gains would be very fast and the native could reach to a high status in a very less time. Mercury is the fastest planet of solar system as it completes its circle in the shortest time period of 88 days, which makes it precede the sun sometimes and sometimes follow it. On accounts of this, it resides in each zodiac for a very lesser period of time, approximate 7 days, as a result of its swiftness. It has been regarded as the messenger of deities of heaven in varied mythologies and folk beliefs. Mercury rules over Gemini and Virgo zodiac signs. It is only planet in astrology which is exalted in its own sign. It is exalted in Virgo and debilitated in Pisces. Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Sun is friend of it while Mars and Jupiter are neutral towards it. Moon is the enemy of Mercury. Mercury is a planet of quick wits and intellect. The person with a well-placed Mercury is in their horoscope would be having good intellect and sharp brain. It would make the native soft-spoken and well-natured. It provide very good sense of humor. The good governed person could make people laugh and make the environment light and pleasing. This planet provides the person with good computation skills and the person could be good in areas related to numbers and logics like software, accounts and finance. The person would be having very good memory. Mercury governs the language and oratory part of the personality. The people with strong would love to talk and would be having good command over language and their presentation skills would be very good. The convincing skills and diplomatic powers are also provided by it. The person with a strong Mercury would also give good institution powers. The person could be good in speculations. This planet give high energy level to natives and person would like to be surrounded by the activities, events and people. The both persons would be full of new thoughts and ideas. They would not like to take the conventional ways and would love to invent a new path. Well placed Mercury provides creativity. It makes the person good in arts, singing, acting and other creative areas. The person with a strong Mercury would be hasty in nature and would get bored very quickly. They have low level of patience and persistence. They could get stick to one task or situation for a long period of time. In personal relationship, they are not very much attached to the people like Cancer or Leo natives. These people are fun-loving and wants to live to the fullest. The powerful and well-placed Mercury or Buddha gives immense wealth, fame and popularity. Its placement in Kendra's first 4, 7 and 10th houses and Trikona's first, 5th, 9th house are generally very auspicious. There are much auspicious yogas which are formed by a well-placed and powerful Buddha. A powerful Mercury placed in a good house could bring all the worldly pleasures like wealth, happiness, vehicles, property, high designation in profession, and good business. Apart from the professional things, the person will look younger than their age. The person would possess a charm and would impress everybody around him. On the other side, the ill placement of Mercury in the horoscope forms many ill yogas, provides lack of good communication skills, followed by a tough part of life comprising many failures. The person would be having lesser computation skills. He would be weak in mathematics and calculation. He could be much hasty and would not have very less patience. The person could be a big flirt and would not value the relationship. The person would have a habit of arguing on worthless subjects and may annoy people. The person would lack the sense of humor. He would be having lesser gains through investment. The person would not be good in trading and business and would have much profit from speculations. The person could have lesser intellect. The person may lack charm. The person may lack aptitude towards arts. The person would lack creativity. The zodiac in which Mercury is placed in a horoscope is the Mercury sign of the person. Mercury sign decides the dignity of this planet in the horoscope. In human body, it rules the nervous system, solar plexus, bowels, arms, mouth, tongue, eyesight, and ears. The ill-placed Buddha may cause nervousness, sciatica, mental disorders, diarrhea, ulcers, warts, moles. Strength or dignity of Mercury in a horoscope. Exalted, Mool Trikona, Sasthan, or Swagrihi debilitated. Mercury carries different dignity or strength in our horoscope on account of its placement in different zodiac as leaving different impacts upon us. Best position of Mercury exalted Uch. Mercury reached its highest effective position, which is called its exalted or Uch position, when it is at 15 degrees in Virgo, as starting its exaltation from 0 degrees and growing towards till 15 degrees for deep exaltation in the same zodiac. The highest level of exaltation is on 15 degrees. Here it gives most of the benefic effects of the person for leading him towards successful and satisfying life, as depending also upon the placement of Mercury in the horoscope chart. Exalted Mercury in general make a person charming in personality and quick-witted. The person would be having high convincing skills and would be able to lead the people by using convincing and diplomatic skills. The sense of humor would be of high level. The person would have high gains from speculations, betting and stock market. The person would possess great eloquence and may be having very good singing skills, high level of oratory and marketing skills. The person would be having high level of entrepreneur aptitude in him. Second base position of Mercury Mool Trikon. Mercury is in the second base position, which is called its Mool Trikon state, when it is in the enclosure of 16 degrees to 20 degrees in Virgo. Here is possess second base dominant position and is perceived to the benefic at most of the times. Here Mercury bestows very satisfying impacts upon the native and leads his or her life towards a prosperous and successful picture. This kind of Mercury bestows the person with very good trading skills. The person could be very good in business. The person would have a large group of friends who gives him good amount of support. The person would have good amount of charm in him. Good position of Mercury, own house Swasthan. The planet Mercury remains at the normal domination and in the neutral form when it comes in between the 21 degrees to 30 degrees in Virgo and further extended to the whole of Gemini from 0 to 30 degrees. This position of Mercury is called as own house or Swasthan. When Mercury is in Swasthan, it increases all the qualities of the house in which it is placed. For example, if the Mercury is in 11th house of gains, it gives high level of affluence and gains from investment and profession. Poor position of Mercury, debilitation, niche. The planet Mercury remains at the bad state when it comes in between the 15 degrees to 20 degrees in Pisces. It is in deepest debilitation in 20 degree. Here it lacks all of his strength and power and so on, called as niche. The debilitated Mercury or Buddha cause many difficulties in the life of humans. The debilitated Mercury would not give good result even if this Mercury is placed in any good house. It would destroy the good results of that house. The person would be prone to unnecessary tensions and worries. He would be lacking resolve and willpower. he would be poor and would face many difficulties in earning. Expression of Mercury or Budh. The planet Mercury or Budh is the universal expression of creativity and fantasies prevailing in this universe, besides which it dominates over the coloring of inner essence of mortal beings upon land. On the other side of this, it also represents the supreme wisdom for which it is believed to bestow the intellect and knowledge to the natives of Earth. Believing in the words of several mythologies, Mercury is perceived to be the messenger of supreme source of paradise on account of his swiftness and active attitude. In this way, it expresses the aspect of communication in the lives of human beings. Mercury or Buddh is the vivid explorer of relationships on account of which it governs the relationship of mortals and dominates over all the turns in a relation of a person at every moment in this journey of life upon land. It plays a major role in creating distances and them uniting the two poles again. Blessings of Mercury or Buddha. The planet Mercury is significantly believed for bestowing the intellect and wisdom to the mortals, along with a explicit vision towards life. On account of the same, a good placement of Mercury bestows a strongly paved path of education to the native. A well-placed Mercury in the horoscope chart confers the strong intelligence to the native besides the depth of knowledge as making him or her able to spread around as a scholar. It also bestows the art of expression as it makes the person creative in his or her attitude along with being endowed with the strength of eloquence. It strongly governs over the thoughts and understanding of a person as a well-placed Mercury could bring the optimism in the life of the mortals. Mercury or Buddha being the ruler of relationships impact over the enclosure of variant bonds in the life of a person and makes the picture of different bonds throughout the life comprising neighbors, siblings, parents, friends, cousins and professional and social relations. It also bestows the attitude of being adaptable with the surroundings. This planet of imagination also bestows the accurate vision towards variant aspects of life along with analyzing eye to measure the right side of the path. A well-placed Mercury makes the person honest at mind and devoted towards relationship at heart. Effects of well-placed and powerful Mercury or Buddha in the birth chart. Mercury is the planet of wisdom and intellect, for which when it is well placed, it bestows the person with supreme knowledge and intelligence. The Mercury people are perceived to possess a clear and sharp vision towards different aspects and possess a good analyzing power along with mind of logics when placed good. Altogether, they are strong at mind and understanding. A well-placed Mercury makes the person inclined towards fantasies with the power of imagination besides making him or her creative in attitude. On account of this, most of individuals having well-placed Mercury are found indulged in the sectors of art and creativity and those requiring high intellect and wisdom. A well-placed Mercury being dominating over the relationship surrounds the native with good and strong relations and provides him a strong, effective, expressive tongue which encloses him or her in a positive social confinement on account of being the ruler of communication upon land. Mercury bestows the natives a strong charm to attract the surroundings along with the strength of eloquence which makes them appealing to the outside world. Few more things which comes with a well-placed Mercury are good adaptable attitude, natural proficiency in multiple language, sharp intellect for business and ability to do many things at a time. Effects of ill-placed and weak Mercury or Buddha in the birth chart. Planet Mercury being neutral and adaptable in nature easily changes its impact depending upon the surroundings and so on, acquires malefic reflection when placed near to such planet in the horoscope chart. As ill-placed Mercury result in weak intellect along with unstable mind to the state of neurotic anxiety. It leaves the person in high restlessness with the bunch of unstable emotions making him or her unable to find out the right direction to walk towards. This badly affects the mental development of the person. The power of eloquence of Mercury could turn people towards betraying those around them when it is placed in evil surroundings. On the other hand, it could also make the person harsh at tongue depending upon its placement. Here, the positive reflecting planet could become negative for the native. Altogether, it could bring some problems like insomnia, constipation, respiratory problems, immaturity, and emotional insecurities when not placed well in the horoscope chart.